So this is my hide, and this is me. Hello. I just wanted to share with you my setup for bird photography, climbing closer. So I have one camouflage net, which is here, and a tarp above and behind me, because I don't want birds flying from behind me to see me and then avoid the location, because I'm shooting from this spot under down those trees. So basically the sun always behind me, and now it's 9 a.m. I've been here since 5 in the morning. I did my setup and you can see a jay flying. If it stopped, I will try to take a photo of it. I got lucky, I shot him like 3-4 times, very close distance. And here I have my D800. It's 1 second. It's covered with the scarf. And here I have my 500. Can you see it? And I have my sitting pad and my Tasmanian tiger bag, which is amazing bag. I managed to hold with it 15-20 pounds with no problems, and I carry all this gear by myself, and the 800 go onto my chest. I'm using climbing rig basically. That's it. This is it. It's a Petzl, and I'm joining the two ends, this guy, and the lens foot slides into, and then I can hold it on my chest. I put my tripod on top of the bag. But unable to order to carry all this weight, you have to learn a little bit about packing. So basically the small weight go below your bag, and on top you put the heavy weight, like you can put a camera, or in my case I put tripod. Above me, this is my tarp. It's 2 meter by 2 meter. So basically bird photography, nature photography, it's a waiting game. I do my setup and just wait. No movement, no sound, no nothing, because birds can see you, hear you, feel your presence way before you see them. So I'm a kind of a sniper guy. I don't walk around and shoot birds because I need a certain setup. I need the bird to be on top of the tree, behind me nothing, just open sky, and this will allow me to crack my shutter speed and make sure my ISO is as low as possible. And before you go to any location, you need to be aware of location, wind, temperature, humidity. Usually I check the location before I go 3 days, and then every few hours I recheck the weather, because the weather might drastically change. So it's raining, I need a different setup. It is snow, all this green setup will be white, and the clothing will be completely different, the shoes, insulation layer, everything like this. So I will do another episode for winter camouflaging and shooting in the winter, but now it's spring here, so everything I have is earth colors or green colors. That's it for now. See you later. Bye bye.